grab a cocktail, and slip on your feed bag. It's chow time. Hello, and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen on the road in New York City. I hope you're hungry, because today we're sampling mid-century culinary delights at the New York City Mid-Century Supper Club End of Summer Potluck at the original Beauty Bar on 14th Street. I wouldn't dream of sampling mid-century culinary delights without a lovely libation. Today we're sipping the rum pineapple puff made for us by Brock. To make your own, all you do is combine 2 ounces of light rum, 1 ounce dark rum, 3 ounces pineapple juice, and 3 ounces of milk. Shake with ice, pour into a rocks glass, and top with club soda. Delicious and refreshing. The Mid-Century Supper Club Potluck was founded in the Bay Area by Karen Finley and Jenny Garibaldi and has been featured on Boing Boing and in the New Yorker. What started as a potluck inspired by a Flickr page with about a dozen attendees in Karen's dining room has grown to an event with over 200 attendees, with spin-off groups in Portland, San Diego, and here in NYC.
Hello there, greetings from the New York City Mid-Century Potluck at the Beauty Bar on 14th Street in New York. I'm Pamela Sparacino, this is Jack Crosley. Say hello, Jack. Hey. And we are grateful that we are carrying this tradition over from the Mid-Century Supper Club in the Bay Area. We are grateful to Karen and Jenny for granting us their blessing, having fun, and helping a good cause. And we hope it gets as big as theirs is, having to sell tickets and it sells out. Now we're doing it 3 times a year and everyone's having a great time. We're looking forward to it. And today I learned that Indian summer and Jell-O does not mix.
I made the Scotch Fudge from June Ross' Fast and Fancy cookbook, which contains no scotch, but is tasty nonetheless.
I made the tuna pineapple dip from the 10 p.m. cookbook.
We've had a wonderful time here at the potluck, and now we're stuffed. Thank you so much to our wonderful hostess Pamela, Miss Brooklyn Baby Doll, as well as Beauty Bar for the fabulous setting, and everyone who brought such delicious dishes. We can't wait to do it again. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, Liquored Up live broadcasts, and more. And don't forget to visit our website for even more recipes and fabulous merchandise. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.